A couple can communicate regularly, manage their responsibilities, and function quite well, and still feel like something's missing. They talk about schedules, bills, children, and everything that needs to get done. From the outside, the marriage looks fine, but inside they might feel more like capable partners managing a household than two people creating a meaningful life together. Sometimes a marriage doesn't need repair, it needs direction. A powerful question couples can ask is, what are we creating together? You might not have an immediate answer, and that's all right. The purpose of the question is to step outside the demands of the week and begin thinking about the relationship itself. What do you want your marriage to stand for? How do you want to treat each other? What kind of life do you want to build? Shared vision begins when couples stop merely getting through life and start deciding where they want to go together.